Hello. Welcome to part 6 of the Provider Web Portal training video series. This video focuses on the File Exchange tab on the navigation bar at the top of the Provider Web Portal, now known as PWP. The only subpage of the File Exchange tab is Upload Files. In this section, we will explore instances in which you might use upload files under File Exchange, as well as how to properly upload a file through the system. First, log into the PWP. The My Home tab will be the default view. If you need assistance logging in or navigating the home page, please refer to part 2 of this series. From the home page, click the File Exchange tab on the top navigation bar. The Upload Files section is primarily used for two reasons: to submit a prior authorization reconsideration, and to add an attachment to an electronically submitted claim. This section is not to be used for prior authorization forms, sterilization abortion forms, appeal forms, or initial emergency dialysis case certification FA100. In order to have a prior authorization reconsidered, it must be within 30 calendar days from the determination, unless the provider is a residential treatment center, in which case, submissions must be within 90 days from the determination. Reconsiderations cannot be submitted for requests that have been technically denied. Providers must submit the FA29B, as well as any documentation to support the reconsideration. This form will require additional input of the appropriate authorization tracking number and recipient ID as well. To add an attachment to an electronically submitted claim, the claim must have been submitted with the appropriate attachment control number, also known as the ACN. The ACN entered in this portal must match the ACN used in the paperwork, PWK, segment of the 837 claim. In order to create a consistent and unique ACN, providers can combine the following digits without spaces: provider ID, recipient ID, the 6 or 8-digit date of service, and a sequence number or 4 numeric digits of your choice. Once you've logged in successfully to the PWP, click on the File Exchange tab. The Upload Files subpage will automatically appear. Click the File Type drop-down to begin the process of uploading the file. Select the appropriate file type for your attachment. Browse your device by clicking the Choose File button in the Upload File field to find the correct file to upload. Files are limited to 5 megabytes. If multiple documents are being uploaded, please place all forms in a WinZip file. For example, if a form needs to be signed, please scan the signature page or pages and include that scan along with the completed PDF in the same WinZip file. Based on the file type chosen, other information may be required. In this example for a claim attachment file, the provider-created ACN needs to be provided. Once you have completed all of the required fields, click Upload to start the upload process. The confirmation message shown in the image will display to confirm the file was successfully uploaded. Prior to the conclusion of this training, please review the 4 reminders specific to submitting claim attachments using the PWP. First, upload the attachment using the File Exchange tab in the PWP prior to 837 claim being submitted. Second, please use a unique attachment control number for each claim. The provider is responsible for creating the unique ACN for each attachment uploaded through the PWP. The ACN on the 837 claims must match the ACN used on the attachment uploaded using the PWP. Third, submit the 837 claim with the ACN in the paperwork, PWK, segment of the transaction indicating the claim has an attachment. The 837 claim must include the following fields: PWK01, report type code. This is selected from the list of valid codes in the ASCX12 guide. Your vendor or clearinghouse should have the list of valid codes. PWK02, must contain EL. PWK05, must contain AC. PWK06, attachment control number. This is the number used to identify the attachment uploaded using the PWP. Lastly, if a matching ACN is not found by the end of the recycle period, the claim will deny. Thank you for watching part 6 of the PWP training video series. Please explore the other videos in this series for more information on the topics listed on the screen. This concludes this installment of the PWP training video series. Should you require further assistance, please contact Gainwell Technologies, the fiscal agent for Nevada Medicaid, by phone or email. The contact center may be reached at 1-877-638-3472. Emailing Nevada Provider Training at GainwellTechnologies.com will connect you with the field service team. Please include your NPI and other pertinent information to be routed to the appropriate representative. Further information related to Nevada Medicaid can be found on the website at medicaid.nv.gov. This video was produced by Gainwell Technologies on behalf of Nevada Medicaid. Thank you for watching.